Hi future homeowners! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Your Top Realtor. So for today's vlog, we will going to witness the groundbreaking ceremony of Emerald Suites ngayong October 28, 2025. And together with me, our very esteemed architect Nestor Mangyo. Ayan, so he will be sharing what in store about Emerald Suites. So, sir, what can you say with our pioneer project na Condominium ngayon, which is very prime in location na strategic dito sa Angeles?
Well, we thought of this project and we were inspired by the fast development of Angeles City, no? Particularly in this area, the Friendship Corridor. It is now bustling with vibrant with commercial spaces, restaurants, and of course, the proximity to the workplace of Clark Field, the leisure and gaming destinations there, and the Clark International Airport, and soon the Northvale. So as far as accessibility and location, this is a very good location because it is also located on fast developing Poinsett Avenue, which will soon be a six-lane avenue. And it has already huge coffee shops, hospital, school, the Pampanga market, and lots of restaurants also. And this leads to MacArthur Highway and the North Luzon Expressway. This area leads to SFX. So, location-wise, it is very strategic.
Yes, very prime, no? And how about sa sir, sa project natin, since this is 4-story lang technically, di ba?
So, it's for 5-story.
5-story kasi on the ground level, you have your commercial spaces.
Yes.
And those are also for sale.
Yes, because there's a lot of activities here, commercial, aside from residential. So this community is a mixed development, residential, commercial, even worship, and different leisure and gaming industry, this area.
Yes. And also, since groundbreaking natin ngayon, yung price natin are on the introductory price, and we have mga ongoing promotions as well.
Yes,
right.
Just on this launching date, we're giving a 20% discount for the early buyers, no? Especially on cash basis. And can you imagine if this is 3.5, you get 20%, that's already 700,000 discount.
Yeah.
So some have already availed of that, especially your buyers.
Yes, we already have our cash buyers and even deferred and bank financing. We have also a lot of payment options, diba, no, sir?
Yes, of course. And this will be built in so short a time because we're using the technology of steel frame, steel column and beams, and this should be done in less than 2 years. And I was told by our structural engineer this can be roofed in 6 months' time.
So basically when it comes to the construction, mabilis din siya, but without compromising the quality.
Of course, kanya we choose to use steel. This is stronger than concrete, and it can withstand earthquake without crashing, no, without cracking. So maganda at mabilis sa construction, at saka mas malinis.
Wow. So we're very excited with this project, and feel free to encourage our buyers, sir, na to invest dito, sir. What's your message for them?
Well, to the viewers of Alan, we would like to invite everybody to come and visit us on the site. We are located at the corner of Poinsett and Taguete Street at the Emerald Subdivision, which is just about 300 meters away from Friendship Highway in Angeles City. We're beside the corner is a McDonald's, and we're in front of a huge cafe, Forest Cafe.
Forest Cafe, yep.
Forest Cafe. So please join us in this very limited edition of a condominium because there's only about 150 units to sell. And
very exclusive.
Very exclusive, and part of those are already commercial.
Yep.
So I'm sure your investment here, both on residential and commercial, will sustain high value appreciation.
Wow.
So it's the best time to invest here while the area is still fast developing.
So for our groundbreaking ceremony, kasama natin one of the architects, Architect BJ Mangyo. So behind this project, siya po yung i-conceptualize ng condominium project natin dito sa Emerald Suites. So, sir, what can you share about the structural, sa design, and even sa materials and construction when it comes on the technical side of things sa pagtatayo ng condo natin?
Hi, good morning. So, yung dun sa design, we created a concept that is very relaxing. So, it is like a resort-like setting sa isang condo wherein you have your amenities, you have your gym, your pool, meron kayong lobby before getting to your actual house, because gusto lang namin maging very practical and very convenient living in a condo setting. Alam natin na parang marami in the market are residential house and lot.
Yes.
So we know na meron mga younger people or people na mas busy sa buhay na kailangan nila na very convenient na pwede nilang iwan yung bahay, pwede nilang balikan, and it's very secured.
Yes.
So in order for people to be secured and to find this as an alternative to conventional housing, ginawa namin talaga when we designed it is that yung spacious yung floor plans, yung floor area is 4 meters wide. Usually yung condo is around 3 meters, 3.5. And then yung ceiling height is at around 2.8 meters. So that's almost 10 feet.
Yeah.
So maaliwala siya. So kahit nakatira ka sa condo, feeling mo maluwang yung bahay mo. Plus of course, marami siyang windows para may view ka of the outside and natural ventilation. Dahil ginawa rin namin siya in a way na yung units could be a studio, a 1-bedroom, or a 2-bedroom. So habang lumalaki yung family, then your unit grows with you as well.
Yes.
Oo.
Wow. Ayun. Very interesting, and yun nga, thank you for sharing with that, no, sir. How about when it comes sa construction? Kasi I believe you have a very fast-paced na construction because of I believe your technology that you've used, no, sir?
Also, since we started and conceptualized the project, the corporation always acknowledge na kailangan ng faster delivery because mas magkakaroon ng confidence yung buyers if yung units are turned over faster.
Correct.
So our structure is a steel structure. Usually sa atin kasi binubuhusan ng semento, pinapatuyo ka niya matagal. Yung sa amin, we have one project na parang halos every floor, every month lang eh. So this one, we are approximating around 6 months to build the whole structure hanggang sa roofing. So once that is built, everything will be finishing works already.
Wow.
So 6 months and then steel structure, and with the concerns naman ng buyers lately na may mga earthquakes, this can stand the earthquake better because dahil bakal nagsasway siya with the earthquake, hindi siya magka-crack.
So when it comes sa stability and the quality of the materials, pasok si Emerald Suites. And of course, I believe you've already submitted all the plans, the building permits, and I believe approved na sa
We
government.
have a license to sell already and also a building permit.
Yes.
Dahil sabi namin, ayaw namin ma-delay yung project. Kaya in-apply na namin even before the groundbreaking.
Wow, yun. That's a very good, na we're very ahead of the game. No? So, ayun, thank you po. Anything to share with our future buyers po, sir? Message to encourage them why we will invest sa Emerald Suites.
Please come and look at our pages, our social media pages, and also talk to our brokers and explore living in a condo setting here in Angeles, because we are a good alternative to having a secured, convenient way of living here in the center of Angeles.
Ayun, so narinig nga natin about when it comes sa technical side of things sa condominium dito sa Emerald Suites. And right now, nandito tayo with Ma'am Sally, our brokers relationship manager na could share a little sa Emerald Suites, why our buyers will going to invest dito. Ano pong masasabi niyo sa mga buyers natin na to encourage them to buy here?
Yeah. First, the location.
Okay.
It's right along, almost sa Friendship Highway. And then going to the city, very, what do you call it?
Accessible.
Accessible, yeah. And the place is basically it's a corner property.
Correct.
And given this project, it's just very timely, especially for a lot of mga, what do you call this, mga Gen Zs.
Gen Z, mga millennials.
Millennials who would want to have a place of their own.
Yes,
Diba?
correct.
So, and it's a good investment per se. Kasi, especially now, at this juncture, it's launching. You can see this.
Oo nga, dami nating mga promotion and discounts.
So
Yep.
we have, it says here, we have 700,000 discounts. And what are this?
And for the ngayon, no, 25,000 for our
Yeah.
reservation instead of 50.
It should be 50,000 for this initial
Yeah.
launching lang. 50,000, but then it was made 50%, that is only 25,000.
1,000, yes.
25,000 down payment. Well, as we have said, and then what else?
Ang dami nating mga discounts that we could
Ang
offer.
daming discount. One of which, if you buy now, is a 20% off the total contract price.
Wow. So, but those are for the
But-
selected
For
units.
Elia, yeah.
Yes. And I believe for this condo, ma'am, meron din tayong exclusivity when it comes on the 4th level. Kasi they're not open for Airbnb, no?
Not for.
Exclusive for residential only. But on the 1st to 3rd level, pwedeng for Airbnb if they
Yeah,
want to rent it out. So that's possible. So that's why having a condominium project or a property is a very sound investment because it can give us a potential return through rental.
Yeah.
Ayun. Lalo na, sabi nyo nga po, the location is very prime and
Aptly
strategic.
located, Not
Ayun.
only that, down the ground floor are the commercial.
Commercial.
Yeah.
So, it's within your reach, no? Talagang, hindi ka nalalayo pa.
Yeah, the one good thing about Architect Manga, they are very flexible.
Flexible.
Kumbaga, kung konti na lang pagbibigyan. But then yun na nga, without prejudice to the quality
Yes.
of the
And exclusive tayo, konti lang
Exclusive.
yung mga units natin. Hindi siya like madaming-madami.
No. Hopefully, we can have more of this kind of a project
Yes.
within the area. Laki pa naman yung area.
Any final message with our future clients?
So, I am more focused on the licensed real estate brokers who have been with us for the longest time since the Beverly
Yeah.
Lakeshore. And now here, this is a new venture of Architect Magna Company. We hope to have you again and hope more brokers will be coming
Yes.
out to support us.
Thank you so much po, ma'am. And yun nga, looking forward po for this success new venture
New
into
venture,
condo or vertical project na
Right.
Mangyo family. No? Thank you so much po.
Mangyo family.
Yeah, thank you po.
you,
And yeah,
Alan.
see you on our next vlog. Bye.